Okay, what we're going to show you today is the correct way to install the Trim-Tex PVC beads. This goes for all beads. This is a 90-degree external, which we're using in a square set application. External beads are exactly the same, using the 847 spray adhesive and the staple system. Okay, what we're going to do is apply the 847 glue. There are two ways you can do this. One coat on the bead and one coat on the wall, or two coats on the bead. Please, the instructions are clearly on the back. Read and understand the instructions to cover you for warranty. What we're doing now is we're doing one coat on the bead and one coat on the wall. Okay, now installing the second coat onto the plasterboard. Installing the bead into a position up here where it's nice and square. Using a free tool which you get with an 847 spray adhesive. Into the apex of the bead, push it up into square 90 degrees. And then along the mud leg. Right, now we'll go along with the trusty Wallboard staple. One staple every 180 to 200 mil. 180 is about the length of the tool itself. Top and bottom. Re-tipping where required with the tool again, if required. It's sitting back there quite nicely at the moment. That's how easy it is to install the Trim-Tex range of beads using the 847 of the staple system, and I know I'm guaranteed